Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Namaskar, Mara. Adab. Assalamu alaikum. Sabah al khair. Sabah al noor. Sat Sri Akal. Ni hao. Ohio Guzai Mash. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning to all of you, the boys and girls. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Today we are in this beautiful park this morning, 7th May 2017, enjoying the fitness. I'll be running, we'll be doing a lot of exercises, and then of course I will also take you around this beautiful park. It's a historical park, thousands of years of history in the walls and in the trail of this particular park. So, but at the same time, I was just trying to go live, but I could not go. There was some problem with the connection. I promised you that I may not be able to write the blogs because I'm very busy. I don't have time. I have to also earn my bread and butter, but at the same time I will be having some video blogs. I will just talk and share my thoughts and ideas with you, ladies and gentlemen. And today I will be talking about this Macron and Bridget, not Macron and Pen. There is a very important election this time going on today, 7th May 2017 in France. But most of the papers, the Guardian, the Washington Post, and of course the Indian newspapers also, they are not talking about the French elections, Macron and Pen. They are talking about the love story between Bridget and Macron. You just see that 15 years old boy, and this Bridget, 39 years old. And in this story, the love story started in 1991. Just have a look on this very old structure, maybe 500 or 700 years or 1,000 years back. We will just go down, ladies and gentlemen, and try to just go around and have a very great feeling. I just want to be careful. You just see that it's very narrow, beautiful, excellent, great. Maybe some kings and some folk type of thing. This that they say that these are the old rains, and they are very important. And let's go around, ladies and gentlemen. So what I was trying to tell you, this love story between Macron and happened in the year 1991, this Bridget. So what was happening, that the father of this Macron was very important guy. He was a very big doctor in this French village, and a neurologist. And the mother was also a doctor. She was a gynecologist. So in 1991, when this boy Macron was 15 years old, they had put him in a school where Bridget was teaching, and she was 39 years old. So accidentally or incidentally, or maybe fate had to do this. They were drawn for a play. Just see, this reminds me of my Kashmir, my homeland, which I left because of the terrorism and because of the problems at the behest of Pakistan. More than 500,000 Kashmiri Pandits, Hindus, left Kashmir. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, that's a different talk. I don't want to divert the main focus on this important, this beautiful trail. This is village. These are stones, pure stones, and earth. Natural, it is not concrete. The worst, the anti environment, anti nature. This is nature at its best in this beautiful park. So what I'm trying to tell you that this Bridget and Macron, they were drawn in a play for a play, and they had to do that rehearsals, they had to do that trials. They were doing it all on Fridays completely dedicated, and they were also sitting late in the evenings, in the maybe till 1 o'clock night time, 2 o'clock night time, and this brought them closer. And when this play was conducted in the school, and all the dignitaries and the parents of Macron were having a very new big name and fame in that particular village, and they also came there. And Brigitte was also, they were doing some confectionery. They were very also rich people into business and all that. And then these people came, finally this Macron kissed on the cheeks of this Bridget in that particular play. The parents did not take it so seriously. They thought that okay, it's a part of the game, not a problem. But what happened during the next few days, you just see that what a beautiful, this old, maybe 1,000 years back, 500 years back it has been built. What a beautiful feeling. Great. I just want to be fast and also take you around the beautiful places in this beautiful park and show you the history written on the face of this park. So what I was trying to tell you, ladies and gentlemen, what happened after these few days, this Macron and Bridget were seen together in many places. Just remember this Bridget, she was having 3 children at that point of time, and she was around 26 years old, 1991, when her pupil, this Macron, was only 15 years old. So the love story blossomed. This love story came. It was, just see how beautiful this structure, old structure is. Great. So what I was trying to tell you, this they were together, seen together, and it was the talk of the town. It was happening that Macron and this Bridget are together. There's something cooking up. And this went into the ears of this father, his father and mother also. They